Whoa. Dad. Dad, how we do this?
Gonna have to get into it, mister.
Yeah. Good idea, Dad.
Oh, cool, man. It's for your little skateboards.
Can I do...
It's a skateboard ramp for your little skateboards.
Dad, can I open this?
Yeah?
A skateboard.
Yeah.
Skateboarding.
Hey, Stove. You gonna say thanks, Richie?
Thanks, Dad.
And
Thanks, Richie. Oh, I'm gonna open it.
they're from Michael. And you're gonna say thanks to Uncle Mick too?
Thanks, Mick.
Oh, awesome! Is that cool?
Maybe we can put them here.
Yeah, for sure. How cool is that?
Cool.
Yeah.
Open them. Open these.
What about the last Prezi? Yeah. Are you happy? Are you having a good birthday?
Dad, I can't do it.
Okay, get your finger under there, that's it. Oh, he's done a good job wrapping it, hasn't he?
Ah.
Two hands. Good job. Oh, all the boys in Vancouver have done a good job, eh? Look at that.
I want to put that little skateboard too.
Awesome.
Let's open all of these.
Did you say thanks to the Hendos?
Thanks to the Hendos. Those are cool.
The thumbs up? Thumbs up? Yeah, right on. See you later.